This is Code.org. I'm currently working on CS Fundamentals. What will happen when you press run? So as a teacher, I know when you check one of these, pick one of these and hit run, it locks in your answer, you can't change it, and it's submitted to your teacher. So make sure you do this carefully. Let's take a look at it together. When run, repeat 4 times, okay? Draw a polygon. So I guess I'm drawing 4 polygons. What's draw a polygon do? Joop. Repeat 4 times. I'm going to move forward by 40. Okay, so I'll draw that. Turn right by 90 degrees. Okay. And then boop. Once, twice, same thing. So I'll be here. 3 times be here. 4 times. Okay. So once I do all that, what happens? I did one. Zoop. Draw a polygon. Turn right by 90. Okay, so then I'd be facing this way. And then I'm going to go forward 40, and then I'm going to go off here once, twice. Interesting. So I'm going to be starting to draw stuff over here. What will happen when you press run? The artist will solve the puzzle correctly. No, the artist will draw 4 squares in a window pattern. The artist will draw only one line of squares. The artist will draw 4 squares on top of one another. I know it's not going to be on top of one another. After I turn right and then go down, turn right, over, up, over, I'm going to then aren't I going to do it in over each other in a window pattern? I know I'm not going to solve it. I know I'm not going to only draw one line of squares because I'm not drawing this many squares. And I know they won't be on top of each other because they're already going to be next to each other for sure. So I think it's this. Let's take a look. But yeah. Awesome though. Let's keep going.